If y'all want to see the difference between drag bashing and serious shit. Yeah, there you go. There's your answer. That's the difference. Man over here fresh to death, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just, I'm on it right now. I'm on it right now.
Big fun shit, man. Follow my man's page, man. Fuck with us, man. Come out here, man.
Already.
Have fun, man. All love.
Already. It's the OG over here, man. What's going on, brother? Man,
I ain't running today.
What are you doing?
My man got the metallic brown, right? That's something you don't see all the time, the metallic brown. But check this though. Push button lights, man. Man, what? And it's not a fluke. I pressed it 3 times. It ain't one of them playing no fluke shit. It's supposed to do that. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no fluke shit, bro. Like, damn. That's how we do it out here. Wide open races. OGs only. Got the Traxxas XO-1. Got the Arm Talion. Got a Typhon 6S. Lowered with the limitless shocks. Got the infraction. Got the Felony with the C8 body with the lights on it. And we got a Felony stock, man.
3, 2, 1.
That little motherfucker fast. Good look. Got the candy brown, got the metallic brown on there with the push button light.
That shit stopping on the dime too. Watch how it stop.
It's a beast. It's untamed lion, man. It's an untamed joint.
This is his first run.
Man, this your first run of it? Man, you controlling it great for that shit.
Stock speed gear.
That's one of the most hard. That's the hardest shit to drive, that XO-1.
This is the stock gear in it though. I ain't unlocking.
Traxxas XO-1. You know what I'm saying? Man, what's up?
It ain't going in reverse.
Oh shit, you got your remote. That's your radio? Let's see. I heard the bass in that motor earlier, man. It had a whole other tenor. Shit sounded like a grown man. Well, go and throw it in there. Drag spec, this boy on. There's a difference, y'all, between a drag spec and bashing. If y'all want to see the difference between drag bashing and serious shit. Yeah, there you go. There's your answer. That's the difference. That's the difference. All right, man. Listen to this joint. What it say? Yeah, it sound like a newborn baby, boy. Said it's hollering. Don't need no words after that one. Don't need any words after that one, fellas. You got that rhythm on that start. I see you on that start. Cause you were gone right after that 2. You hit that shit. Like the 100-meter dash, you hit that joint right on it. All right, 3, 2, 1. We're going on the 1. Hey, he was on the, he didn't jump. He didn't jump. Yeah. What's up, my dude? Now, as soon as you hear 1, you out. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Got a big boy matchup out here, y'all. Want me to call it? I call it. All right, we're going on the 1. 3, 2, 1. That limitless.
What's up, fam?
What up, man?
How you living?
Hold on, getting this picture on. Know how it is. You gotta die. You gotta get a picture. You can shit, man. Gotta get a picture. You can shit.
2.
More for the road before we get on this off road. Got the Talion, then fraction. Felony C8. Felony over there. Fresh. Bad boys are fresh. Nigga.
Cyrus ready. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I think the infraction got that. I think a truck got that. I think whatever this is one. Yo, I think this infraction one.
Top of the dome and you ain't right. I really would like to take my time and flow a little bit, just to get up on the microphone and spit a little shit. I got boxes for boxes.